Hi, in order to make a plot on MX Excel, what you have to do is create a folder under your registration number, then right click and create a MS Excel file here. Rename it as your registration number and type dash quiz at the end, which indicate what this file represent. Kindly open the file. Now here we will create a plot that we want for our data. So what you have to do, first create a table. Let's suppose we want to create a table with the x-axis values, x-axis, under which we will write material 1, material 1, then same material 2, material 3, material 4. We will use 4 datasets and the output will be OUT, PUT. Output will be measured here, which will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can plot any data that you want here. Now go to the Insert tab, click Recommended Charts and select column and the output chart. Then click OK. Here is your first graph. Now this graph formatting is not at the level of a standard, so we will change it. First click on it, go to the Home tab and click here. Change the font size to Times New Roman. Let the size be 10 mm. Then again click here, remove this title, change these colors of the bars, go to the Format tab and click Shape Fill and click this black icon. Now we want to add the axis labels here. So what you have to do is go to the Chart Design tab and click Add Charts and then click here. Use the axis titles and primary axis. Similarly enter vertical primary axis. Here the two axes are added. Name it output and here you will rename it input and materials. For units you can create a name and then press spacebar and backslash and front slash and type units, meters or millimeters, whatever the units are. Here this is your results. As you can see, this plot automatically takes in the x-axis material selection, material 1, material 2, material 3 and material 4, and the output was plotted along y-axis. Now click here. When you see this figure, go to the border, select a solid line and click colors and click here. When you click black, a black box will be created here. Now click here on the bar and select no outline and click here. As you can see, the graph is coming into a more sophisticated shape. Now click again on the graph, go to the Home tab and select the text color to be black here. Now bold the labels by clicking B command. This will identify your axis labels. Now yes, you can see this graph is more professional. This is your first graph, so you can place the graph here and add a title. Output simple. You can change the title as per your requirement. Now we will again create a plot, which is this, for the output measure 2. In order to reduce all the necessary steps, what we will do, you can copy this graph and again paste it here. It will create a duplicate copy of the previous graph. Now what you have to do, when you click on the graph, it will highlight the outputs and the inputs of the graph. You just have to change this column to here and enter the values what are required: 1, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have selected an arbitrary range of values and the graph is automatically updated. As you can see, the colors are changed. What you have to do only is that click on the bars, go to the chart design tab and so format tab, and go to the shape fill and click here this painter. When you click here, the graph shape will automatically be updated. Now we will place the title of this graph here. In this way we have created 2 graphs in under 5 minutes. Similarly, what you have to do is copy again this graph and paste it here. This is your 3rd graph. Now what you have to do is just select the columns that corresponds to the 3rd graph. So you have click on the 3rd graph and here you can see the output function. We will move it to here and rename this cell to be output 3 and enter the values here. Now all of these graphs were made and automatically updated. What you have to do, click here again, go to the format tab and click this painter button and the graph is automatically updated. Now you can do these steps repeatedly for the number of outputs that are required here. This will be your first sheet. Let's say it is material optimization. Now you can duplicate, move or copy, create a copy at the end. Here a second sheet will be formed. You can name it geometry optimization. Now what you have to do is just change the labels. X-axis will be my geometrical parameter 1, geometrical parameter 2, geometrical parameter 3, geometrical parameter 4. These will be your geometrical parameters values, let's say 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and this will be your corresponding outputs. You don't have to do anything else, just change the labels. It will be your geometrical parameters and the output function will remain same, only the values will change. Same, change the x-axis label of the other graphs and again the 3rd graph. In this way you will easily create the graphs for the required outputs. And click here and add a comment section where you will write your results. See, the graphs are more professional and easy to evaluate. Now what you have to do is create a Word file in which you will just copy these graphs and add these comments. This will be your quiz. If you have any questions, you can comment. I will answer it as early as possible. Soon I will upload the videos regarding this session 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, which will enable you to perform the analysis at home. You can also bring this Excel file in your quiz so that you will be able to plot the results as early as possible. Writing of the graph.